All right, I thought I'd do a quick product review now that I've been using it for about a week. In my 2016 F-150, it had a tailgate assist on it. Made it super simple to, no pun, super simple for it to drop without having to hold the weight of the tailgate to keep it from slamming. So one of the first upgrades that I did on this 2014 F250 was a DZ tailgate assist. So we'll hit the button. And that's it. So all it consists of is you take out the two screws, remove the tail light. You'll remove that bumper that was right there, which is that piece. And once that bumper is out, you will remove this bolt and add in this bracket. And then in this side, it has a nut cert that you put in there, and then you bolt that in. And then you just put the tailgate assist shock on, and that's it. So let's see if we can get it from the side. I mean, you can see how easy that is, but for a tailgate that is that heavy, that was a pretty awesome upgrade, and I'm very pleased with it. So if you've got any questions on it, I know they've come a long way. I've seen some pretty bad reviews on other brands out there, and even some of the DZs, but this one, I'm again a week into it, no issues. I most certainly will keep it updated. If I do have any kind of issues, I will update the description or make a follow-up video. So if you guys have got any questions about it, I'll be happy to help you out. I'll post links in the video description as I always do. If you've got any questions, please let me know.